Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the file size and outcome you need. This guides every decision. Once done, pick a method. Quick online compressor for speed, desktop app for privacy, or Acrobat for control. Make sure to duplicate the PDF first so you never overwrite the original. You do this because compression trades quality for size. Knowing the target prevents repeated guessing. Now open your chosen tool and load the copy. This kicks off the hands-on phase. Next, you focus on the heavy hitters, images and embedded data. Lower resolution to 150 or even 72 dpi for screen-only PDFs and reduce JPEG quality to around 50% if necessary. You do this because images dominate size. Make sure to subset or remove embedded fonts and strip metadata, which often saves several percent. If using batch options, apply consistent settings across pages. Once configured, preview a page to verify acceptable quality before compressing the whole file. Finally, export the compressed PDF and compare it to the original side by side. You want acceptable visual fidelity and smaller size. Test the file on phones and desktops, ensuring text remains selectable and links work. This confirms a usable result. If images look too soft, increase DPI or use selective page compression so important pages keep quality. Troubleshooting tip: if output is unexpectedly large, recheck for embedded high-res images or linearization settings and re-export with optimized parameters.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.